Ma'am, how much I got? Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. What is the use of asking how much I got when you haven't even completed the paper, Shruti? Do it fast, Shruti. How many times I need to repeat myself? Can you read the question loudly? 26. Shruti, listen before you give the answer. 26 was not needed to give the answer. I told you to do it from number 27. Anyways, if you have done number 26, send me the explanation. Send me the
Ma'am, I
explanation
sent the
fast.
explanation.
And no need to say 26, the option is such and such. Just write 26, give the option number, give the explanation. Do number 27 fast.
Ma'am, 27 also no need to send the explanation.
I need the explanation of number 26. Have you sent it? Have you forwarded the explanation?
Yes, ma'am. And I will send the explanation of number 27 also.
No, no need to send me the explanation of number 27. Move to number 28 fast. Give me the answer of number 27, then move to number 28. I need the explanation of number 28. Do it fast, Shruti, fast, very fast. Do number 28 fast, Shruti. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. Do it
Yes,
fast.
ma'am, I'm doing. Yes, ma'am, I'm doing number 20.
Do it fast. 2 minutes and one sum should be complete. Do it fast. Do it fast, Shruti. 2 minutes has already passed. Do it fast, beta. Do it fast.
Ma'am, I can't understand number 28.
What is there not to understand? How many stars are there?
2.
2 stars is equal to 1 square. So the weight of one triangle is already given. So one triangle is equal to the weight of 4 squares. What is the weight of one square then? Find out the weight of one square, then find out the weight of one star in the similar way. Do it fast, Shruti. Have you understood?
No, ma'am.
Why not? Read the question.
Weight of one triangle is 1 kg, 880 gram. Find the weight of star. One star.
So what is the weight of one triangle?
1 kg, 1880 gram.
Tell me again, it's wrong. What is the weight of one triangle?
1 kg, 880 gram.
Very good. So what is the weight of 4 squares? What
4
is
into 1.
why 4 into one triangle is equal to 4 squares? So what is the weight of 4 squares? It's very simple, Shruti. Just because you are not concentrating, you are not able to do it. One triangle is equal to 4 stars. The weight of one triangle is equal to 1 kg 880 grams. So what is the weight of 4 stars? Tell me, Shruti. Shruti, are you there?
Ma'am, 4 into 4.
Why 4 into 4? One triangle is equal to 4 stars. Listen to me. One triangle is equal to 4 stars. You are equal to me.
Ma'am, it will be square.
Tell me again.
It will be squares.
Sorry, yes, it will be squares. So one triangle is equal to 4 squares. So 4 squares, what is the measurement of 4 squares? Sorry, what is the weight of 4 square? Very sorry. If one triangle is equal to 4 squares, so what is the weight of 4 squares? Equal to
3520.
why 3520? What is the weight of one triangle? Tell me
1 kg, 880 gram.
1 kg 880 gram. So what will be the weight of 4 squares?
4 into 1 kg, 880 gram.
Why, Shruti? 4 squares is equal to one triangle. Then what is the weight of 4 squares? What is the weight
I
of 4
will
squares?
divide.
Tell me.
Division.
Why division? What have I written here? Just read this line.
1 triangle equals to 1 kg, 880 gram. 4 square equals to.
So what is the weight of 4 squares? What is the weight of 4 squares, Shruti? Tell me, Shruti.
Ma'am, I don't know.
It is already
Ma'am,
written here. What do you mean by I don't know? Shruti, please concentrate. I beg before you to concentrate. What is written here? You want to concentrate or should I call your mom? I have already written here one triangle is equal to 1 kg 880 gram. So 4 squares is equal to what is the weight? This is also written here. How much is it written here, Shruti?
1 kg 880 gram.
So what is the weight of 4 squares?
1 kg 880 gram.
So why do you need to clarify this for such a long time? So 4 squares is also equal to 1 kg 880 gram. So what will be the weight of 1 square? Tell me what will be the weight of 1 square?
One of
If 4 squares
one
weight 1 kg 880 gram, then what is the weight of 1 square? What will you do?
for 108 one 1880 division by 4.
Do it. What is the answer coming? Tell me first.
470.
Yes, 470. Now tell me what is the weight of in the same way, Shruti. Don't tell me I don't know. In the same way, what is the weight of 2 stars?
470 gram.
Yes, 470 gram. So what is the weight of 1 star? What is the weight of 1 star?
470 division by 2.
Is equal to how much?
Wait, ma'am, I'm telling.
Shruti, you were a very good girl when you used to read in class 3 and 4. What happened to you after you got admission in class 5 or you got promoted in class 5? What happened? What do you think? That two wings has come out from two sides of your body. Once you reach class
235.
5, stop doing anything and just study. Yes, tell me.
235.
235 gram. You have to be more responsible because you have a sister of your own. She will learn from what you are doing. So what you want her to learn? To be scolded from her teacher always, to get scoldings from her teacher, to get scolding from her mom. If you don't want her to become like you, then improve yourself, Shruti. Do this one, number 29 first. Number 28 is correct. Do number 29 first. Do it fast, number 29, Shruti. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. Shruti, please, better do it fast. Please, I request you do it fast. Do number 30 fast.
Ma'am, in number 30, I counted 90-degree angles, right angle also.
How many angles are less than 90 degree in the given 6 angles? So just send me the answers. No need to send me the explanation. Yes, this is a 90-degree angle.
Ma'am, this one I also count.
No, why will you count that? Is it less than 90 degree?
No, ma'am, equal.
Then why will you count that? Shruti, first of all, try to complete the paper without making a single mistake. I'm telling you, there lies the magic, Shruti. The only thing of yours is that you cannot complete it on time. And for that, you need to practice a lot, which you never do. That I can go for it that you never do such practices. For you, you should at least practice 100 sums per day. If you can do that, then your speech will come to the track. 100 sums means 2 hours, not the whole day. 1 hour is equal to 50 sums, 2 hours is equal to 100 sums. Do it fast, Shruti. Class 5 means your syllabus is increasing, Shruti. It's not decreasing. So whatever extracurricular activities you practice. That's not the headache. Headache is that when you study, please concentrate. If you are giving 80 minutes to my class, during this 80 minutes, you will not think anything apart from the class. Do it fast. Do it fast. Number 32. Do it fast, Shruti. Send me the explanation. No need to send me the explanation. Just send me the answer of number 32. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. Please, Shruti, I request you, do it fast. Send me the answer fast. Do it fast. Send me the answer fast, Shruti. Do number 33 fast. Fast, Shruti. Complete it fast so that at least in the second class we can do English. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. Shruti, do it fast. What happened? Have you gone to sleep? Number
Wait,
33
ma'am.
is very easy. Solve 33, 34, 35. Fast, Shruti, fast.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Why don't you understand that? I don't understand, Shruti. To solve 50 questions, that to 25 you have solved yesterday. How much time is needed? 25 more you need to solve. By 30 minutes you should finish the paper. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast. Do number 34 fast. 34 and 35 fast, Shruti. Do it fast, Shruti. Do it fast.
Number 34.
Have you completed number 35?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 35 is done?
No, I done number 33. I will do number 35.
Do it fast, Shruti. By now you should have completed number 35. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast.
Mama,
Okay.
I've completed number 35.
Do this one fast. Have you done with along with the explanation number 35?